If you're a senior cat owner, you know how important it is to have the right tools to make life with your furry friend easier and more enjoyable. In today's video, we've picked 30 amazing cat gadgets from Amazon that are perfect for seniors. These products are designed to simplify your cat care routine, enhance your comfort, and even keep your home safer. Whether you're looking for convenience, relaxation, or fun for your cat, these gadgets will make your life a whole lot easier. And be sure to check the description for links to all the products mentioned. Make sure to watch till the end because the last gadget is a game changer. First is the Niasa M1 open-top self-cleaning litter box. If you're tired of constantly scooping your cat's litter box, this self-cleaning litter box is here to save the day. This automatic litter box keeps itself clean, reducing odors and mess, while providing your cat with a spacious, open-top design for comfort. It's perfect for cat owners looking for a low-maintenance, hygienic solution to litter box care. With its self-cleaning mechanism, the Niasa M1 ensures a clean and fresh environment for both you and your furry friend, making it a must-have for any modern cat household. Next up is the automatic cat feeder. How often do you find yourself rushing home to feed your furry friend or worrying they'll go hungry while you're out? Say goodbye to that stress with this smart solution. The automatic cat feeder is a sleek, programmable device designed to dispense the perfect portion of food for your cat at set times. It's ideal for busy pet parents or anyone who wants to maintain their cat's feeding schedule with precision. With customizable meal settings and a stainless steel bowl, this feeder ensures hygiene and convenience. Its anti-blockage design and dual power supply make it reliable and hassle-free. On our number 3 spot, we have the automatic cat laser toy. Keep your feline friend entertained for hours with this interactive gadget. The automatic cat laser toy is a rechargeable device that provides endless fun for cats, engaging their natural hunting instincts. It features randomized laser patterns to keep your cat active and mentally stimulated. Perfect for busy pet owners who want to ensure their furry companion stays happy and healthy even when they're not around. On our number 4 spot, we have the Cat Window Perch. Treat your feline to the ultimate lounging experience with the Cat Window Perch. This innovative perch offers a cozy resting spot elevated to window height, perfect for cats who love watching the world go by. It features a sturdy frame with a plush bolster for added comfort and support. Ideal for keeping your indoor cat entertained, this perch is designed to provide hours of birdwatching and sunbathing. Its space-saving design makes it perfect for any home. The number 5 gadget on our list is the nail grinder. Prep like a pro with the nail grinder. This rechargeable electric nail trimmer gently files your cat's claws with precision, reducing the risk of injury to both you and your pet. Say goodbye to the stress of clipping nails and hello to smooth, safe paws with this must-have grooming tool. Number 6 is the PetSafe Slim Cat Feeder Ball. Looking to keep your cat active and entertained while managing portion control? The PetSafe Slim Cat Feeder Ball is a game changer. This interactive feeder dispenses treats or kibble as your cat plays, combining mealtime with exercise. It's ideal for cats that need to shed a few pounds or those with a curious and playful personality. Designed to make feeding fun, the Slim Cat Feeder Ball turns eating into an engaging activity, helping your cat stay healthy and happy. On our number 7 spot, we present this pet carrier. Ever struggled to carry your pet comfortably during trips? This carrier is here to make every journey stress-free. The pet carrier is airline approved and comes with wheels, so you can roll your cat around instead of carrying them. It's perfect for pet owners who frequently travel or need a lightweight portable option for vet visits. With a breathable mesh design and soft interior, it keeps your cat cozy while ensuring proper ventilation. The carrier's compact, collapsible frame makes storage a breeze. At number 8, we have the waterproof cat blanket. This stylish and practical blanket is perfect for protecting your furniture from spills, fur, and scratches while providing your cat with a cozy place to relax. The waterproof cat blanket is made from soft, durable materials and features a waterproof layer to ensure your couch or bed stays clean and dry. Whether your cat loves lounging or has occasional accidents, this blanket is an essential addition to any pet-friendly home. Number 9 is the S-Roll Reusable Lint Roller. This eco-friendly tool features a reusable adhesive surface that quickly and effectively picks up lint, hair, and debris from furniture, clothing, and more. Perfect for pet owners, it helps keep your home and wardrobe looking spotless without the need for disposable refills. Compact and durable, it's ideal for use at home or on the go. The number 10 gadget on our list is the Microchip activated cat door. Give your cat the freedom to roam in and out safely with the Microchip activated cat door. This high-tech cat door unlocks automatically when it detects your cat's microchip, ensuring that only your pet can pass through. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly opening doors and hello to convenience with this secure and easy-to-install pet door. Number 11 is the Pet Odor Eliminator. Struggling with lingering pet odors? The Pet Odor Eliminator is here to freshen up your home. This powerful spray neutralizes tough odors from litter boxes, carpets, and furniture, leaving your space smelling clean and fresh. It's a lifesaver for pet owners dealing with stubborn smells. Simple to use, the Pet Odor Eliminator works instantly, making it an essential tool for maintaining a pleasant and odor-free environment. Number 12 is the Cat Exercise Wheel. Give your cat the workout they deserve with the Cat Exercise Wheel. The Cat Exercise Wheel is a sturdy, carpeted treadmill designed for feline fitness. It's great for high-energy cats or those needing more physical activity to stay healthy. Its smooth, silent operation won't disturb your home's peace, and the spacious design accommodates cats of all sizes. Bonus, it's an engaging way to keep your pet entertained and active. Coming in at number 13 is the wall-mounted cat shelf. Transform your space into a feline playground with this sleek and sturdy cat shelf. Designed to provide your cat with a safe and elevated place to perch, it doubles as a stylish home decor piece. The wall-mounted cat shelf is ideal for cats who love climbing and observing their surroundings. It's easy to install and adds an extra layer of enrichment to your pet's environment. Number 14 is the Cat Outdoor Tent. This portable enclosure offers a secure and breathable space for your cat to play, lounge, or explore the yard. Its durable, lightweight design makes it easy to set up and transport. Ideal for keeping your pet safe from predators or traffic. While enjoying fresh air and sunshine, this tent is perfect for outdoor adventures. The number 15 gadget on our list is the Cat Tree Tower. Let your cat climb and explore with the Cat Tree Tower. This multi-level tower provides a variety of platforms, scratching posts, and cozy hideaways, allowing your cat to stretch, climb, and nap in style. Say goodbye to scratched furniture and hello to an entertaining, self-contained playground for your feline friend. And if you want to know the latest prices of the gadgets mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. At number 16, we have the Cat Arch SelfGromer. Does your cat love to rub against everything? This self-groomer gives them a way to satisfy their grooming instincts while keeping shedding under control. The Cat Arch SelfGromer is a curved bristle arch designed for cats to walk through and rub against. It gently removes loose fur and massages their coat at the same time. Perfect for independent cats, this grooming tool provides comfort and cleanliness while doubling as a scratching station. Your feline will adore it, and you'll appreciate the reduced fur on your furniture. Number 17 is the SelfWarming Cat Bed. Have you ever noticed how your cat seeks out the warmest spots in the house? This bed ensures they always have a cozy retreat. The SelfWarming Cat Bed is designed with a heat-reflective layer that captures and radiates your cat's body heat, keeping them warm without the need for electricity. It's perfect for chilly nights or older cats who need extra warmth. With a removable, washable cover and a non-slip base, this bed combines practicality with luxury. It's like giving your cat their own personal spa day every day. At number 18, we have the Multicat Calming Pheromone Diffuser. This gadget helps reduce tension and stress in multi-cat households by releasing calming pheromones into the air. It's an excellent solution for preventing fights and promoting harmony among your feline companions. Simply plug in the Multicat Calming Pheromone Diffuser and let it work its magic. It's a must-have for pet owners dealing with stressed or anxious cats. At number 19, we present the Cat Scratch Deterrent. This adhesive scratch-resistant tape is easy to apply and helps to deter cats from scratching your furniture, walls, or carpets. The transparent design ensures it blends seamlessly with your decor, and the strong adhesive keeps it securely in place. Perfect for cat owners who want to protect their home while keeping their feline friends entertained and comfortable. The number 20 gadget on our list is the Automatic Cat Toy. Engage your cat's natural hunting instincts with the Automatic Cat Toy. This interactive toy moves and rotates in unpredictable ways, keeping your cat on its paws and entertained for hours. Say goodbye to boredom and hello to fun and active playtime with this must-have cat accessory. And if you still haven't found something you like, then keep watching because these next 10 gadgets are perfect. Next up, we have the Tilted Water and Food Bowl Set. Does your cat struggle with uncomfortable eating or drinking angles? This set is designed to reduce strain and spills. The Tilted Water and Food Bowl Set includes a slightly inclined bowl for food and an automatic waterer for consistent hydration. The tilt helps protect your cat's neck while eating or drinking, especially for flat-faced breeds or senior cats. With its modern design and practical features, this set is ideal for keeping your cat healthy and your feeding area clean. At number 22, we have the Pet Hair Remover Gloves. Do you dread cleaning up endless fur around your home? These gloves make shedding season a breeze. The Pet Hair Remover Gloves are designed to gently groom your cat while collecting loose fur, all in one go. Perfect for cats who love being petted, these gloves let you bond with your pet while keeping your furniture fur-free. The gloves are flexible, breathable, and easy to clean. Their adjustable strap ensures a snug fit, making grooming an enjoyable experience for both you and your feline friend. On our number 23 spot, we have the Pet Training Clicker. Indulge in effortless cat training with the Pet Training Clicker. This handy tool helps you effectively communicate with your feline friend, making training fun and easy. With its ergonomic design and wrist strap, this clicker is easy to use and ensures that you can train your cat with precision. It's perfect for teaching new tricks or reinforcing positive behavior. The Pet Training Clicker is a must-have for cat owners who want to bond with their pets while keeping training sessions stress-free and enjoyable. Number 24 is the Cat Harness and Leash. This adjustable harness is made of breathable, comfortable fabric and comes with a reflective design for visibility during evening walks. It ensures a secure and snug fit, giving you peace of mind while your cat explores safely. Perfect for cat owners who want to give their pets a safe and enjoyable way to experience the outdoors without worrying about escapes. The number 25 gadget on our list is the Grooming Vacuum. Keep your home and cat's fur clean with the Grooming Vacuum. This innovative vacuum combines grooming and shedding control in one device, gently removing loose fur while vacuuming it away. Say goodbye to hairballs and messes and hello to a fur-free home with this efficient grooming solution. The number 26 gadget is the stainless steel cat water fountain. Does your cat need encouragement to stay hydrated? This fountain makes drinking water more appealing. The stainless steel cat water fountain circulates and filters water, keeping it fresh and clean. The stainless steel material is durable, easy to clean, and resistant to bacteria buildup, ensuring your cat has safe water to drink. Perfect for multi-cat households or finicky drinkers, this fountain promotes hydration while adding a touch of style to your home. Next up, we have the bite-resistant catnip toy. Looking for a fun and durable way to keep your cat entertained? The bite-resistant catnip toy is infused with irresistible catnip and crafted from tough materials to handle even the most enthusiastic chewers. It's perfect for cats who love to pounce, bite, and play. With its cute cartoon design and teething-friendly texture, this toy is great for keeping your cat engaged while also supporting dental health. Number 28 is the Calming Cat Cave Bed. This cozy and stylish bed provides your cat with a sense of security and relaxation, featuring a removable, washable cover and an anti-slip bottom to keep it in place. The cave-like design offers a quiet and snug space for your cat to rest. Whether your cat needs a place to unwind or a safe spot to hide away, this bed is the perfect solution. Give your feline friend the restful retreat they deserve with the Calming Cat Cave Bed. At number 29, we have the Tractive GPS Tracker. This small, lightweight tracker attaches to your cat's collar and allows you to monitor their location in real time using a smartphone app. It also tracks activity levels and health metrics, ensuring your cat stays safe and healthy. Ideal for outdoor cats or those who like to roam, the GPS tracker offers peace of mind by providing up-to-date location information whenever needed. Finally, at number 30, we have the Cat DNA Test Kit. Unlock the mystery of your cat's heritage with the Cat DNA Test Kit. This easy-to-use kit provides insights into your cat's breed, health risks, and genetic traits, helping you better understand their needs and behaviors. Say goodbye to guessing and hello to personalized care with this fascinating pet tool. And there you have it. We hope these 30 cat gadgets are exactly what you need for your feline friend. And if you want to know more about dog gadgets every senior needs, then click this next video. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.